We will solve the radical equation step by step and discover there is no real solution. Read the equation aloud. Square root of 3x minus 5 equals 1 plus square root of 2x minus 6. Step 1. Set the domain from each square root being defined. 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0, so x is greater than or equal to 5 over 3. 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 0, so x is greater than or equal to 3. Therefore, the domain we must check is x greater than or equal to 3. Step 2. Isolate and square once. Move the right radical to the left. Square root of 3x minus 5 minus square root of 2x minus 6 equals 1. Now, square both sides. Use the pattern a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Combine like terms to get 5x minus 11 minus 2 times the square root of the product 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 6 equals 1. Isolate the remaining radical and divide by negative 2. Step 3. Square again to remove the last radical. Square both sides. Clear the denominator by multiplying by 4. Expand left and right sides. Set them equal and collect like terms. We arrive at the quadratic equation x squared minus 8x plus 24 equals 0. Step 4. Use the discriminate. For a equals 1, b equals negative 8, and c equals 24. The discriminate is b squared minus 4ac. That equals 64 minus 96, which is negative 32, less than 0. Therefore, the quadratic has no real roots, so the original radical equation has no real solution in the domain x greater than or equal to 3.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on MyVerseNats.